Good morning. So I am outside sweating. I wanted to show you today that I am harvesting seeds from my spinach. First it was extremely hot, which if you saw my last video, I lost so many plants. So I'm out here today trying to clean up a bit, but I'm also harvesting seeds. So it's pretty messy on the deck right now, because I've cut back a lot of the plants, and I'm going to show you what it's looking like. So you can see I got a pile of leaves here that I've cut back, but also I went ahead and pulled my spinach here. And so the spinach completely bolted. Spinach is a cool season crop. So you can expect once the temperatures start getting really hot that it's going to bolt. So you want to plant this in the spring and the fall. You can see here, you can actually see the seeds. Spinach seeds are pretty big. So these are the seeds. And so what I'm going to do is just harvest these so that I can be ready to plant them in the fall. So I am going to turn the camera around so you can have a look. So you can see how my feet are pretty dry. The spinach obviously was very green at one point, but now it's completely dried out. And this is when you want to harvest your seeds. You don't want it to still be a green plant. So you can probably at this point, if you want, just pull it from water if you have it on drip like I did, or you can just stop watering it so you can get them to dry out so you can get the seeds. And the nice thing is spinach seeds are pretty big. If you do basil like I do, you know, basil is pretty tiny seeds. I don't even try to harvest basil seeds because I don't have it in me. I just don't have it in me, y'all. But that's pretty much it. That's what I wanted to show you. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you regarding the seeds. I'm going to harvest the dill as well. I may try the cilantro because it's dried, and cilantro seeds are not that big, so I'll give you. So this is the cilantro. Oh, let's see. You can see it. There we go. So these are the cilantro seeds. I'm going to harvest these as well. It's pretty much the same process, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for being my community. Can I say that? Thanks for being my community, because I am a whole introvert. I am an introvert. I do not like going outside. Like, I love people, but sometimes it can be so drawing, and it can just like really draw your energy. And what I noticed is everybody does not want to hear about my garden. So to have a community of people who absolutely want to hear about your garden is wonderful. So that's it. Thank you so much for being my community and letting me talk about gardening and share gardening. And I'm going to finish harvesting these seeds, and I'm going back inside because it is so humid. So have a great day. I hope you're able to get out in your garden. I hope it is not as humid and hot as it is here. Your girl is struggling. Okay. Bye, guys.